Hi, my name is Blue. This is my friend Red. Say hi, Red. Hi. What do you want to do today, Red? I don't know. Oh, look, it's Yellow. He's a baby. I'm a baby. Feed me. Oh, look, it's Green. He's mentally disabled. I really like kitchen counters. Oh, look, it's Orange. He's sad about life. Oh, look, it's Purple. He's a builder. I'm making a hairbrush. We are friends. Yay!
Man, I'm so hungry. I think I'm gonna make my world famous ketchup sandwich. Let's see, what are the ingredients? Bread, ketchup, Boo! Yeah, I heard you the first time, Blue. Well, why weren't you scared? It's Halloween! Blue, don't you know? Halloween is for big, stupid, dumb babies. I'll have no part in it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to agree, Blue. Halloween's pretty lame. Alright, that's enough. I guess Halloween's just too scary for you guys. That is so not true. Oh yeah? Then I propose a challenge. I was planning on staying overnight at that haunted hotel just down the street. Maybe you guys should come with me. If you're not too scared. Of course we're not too scared. Let's do it. Well then pack your bags, ladies. We leave at midnight.
Well, here we are. The haunted hotel. So, what do you guys think?
Oh yeah, it's great. You're not already scared, are you? Of course I'm not. But if you don't mind me asking, what exactly are we gonna do all night? Okay, Red, now it's your turn. All right, let's see here. 999 spaces! I win! Oh, how come you always get that card? Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the bathroom. Be right back. Alright, I'll set up the board for the next game. I call dibs on the first turn! But you always get the first turn. Man, this place really is spooky. I never should have done this challenge. What's going on with the lights? No, you may not move all your pawns at the same time. That's not how the game works. Guys, Blue is missing. What do you mean? Well, he was taking a really long time in the bathroom, so I went to go check on him, and he wasn't in there. That's really weird. Maybe he went out for ice cream. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I heard him screaming earlier. Well, he's gotta be here somewhere. Hello, Blue? Are you in here? Blue? Where are you, Blue? Blue! Okay, this is really bad. We can't find him anywhere. Oh, where could he have gone? Oh, wait, I think I hear him. Is he in the walls? There's only one way to find out.
Purple, what are you doing? We gotta save Blue! We gotta find him! Where is he?
I'm guessing he wasn't in the walls. This doesn't make any sense. Is that paper writing itself? What the heck? Say spooky 3 times? I guess we should give it a try. Ready? Spooky! 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 I guess it didn't do anything. What is this place? This looks just like the hotel, but bluer.
Guys, around here!
I think I hear Blue. Well, quick, let's search for him. Blue, where are you? Guys, I'm up here. Blue, what the heck happened? I went to go poo-poo and pee-pee, but something captured me. What? What captured you? Oh, you know. That. Yay, we defeated him! Guys, I'm so sorry I dragged you into all this mess. I guess Halloween really is for big, stupid, dumb babies. Are you kidding? That was the best night of my life. If anything, you taught us a lesson. Really? Oh, thanks, guys. I'm just glad you're okay.